Buckle up, ocean explorers. Welcome to FactSpark, where we dive deep into the most astonishing secrets of our blue planet. Today, we're about to shatter everything you thought you knew about one of the ocean's most iconic residents. That simple, beautiful creature you see clinging to a rock? It's hiding secrets wilder than a deep-sea thriller, proving that life on Earth is far more imaginative than we can often conceive. First shocker, calling them starfish is a total misnomer. They're not fish, at all. They don't have gills, fins, or scales, and they certainly don't swim like fish. This common misconception often leads to confusion, especially for young learners. So let's set the record straight right from the start. These incredible animals are properly called sea stars. This seemingly small change in name helps us understand their true biological identity and avoid misclassifying them. And honestly, they barely have what we'd even call a body in the way we understand it. Imagine an animal with no head, no brain, and no centralized organs like ours. How can something so seemingly simple be so successful? This fundamental difference from most familiar animals is what makes sea stars so utterly fascinating and a perfect subject for exploring the incredible diversity of life. They challenge our very definitions of what an animal can be. So what are these mysterious ocean dwellers if not fish? Sea stars belong to a line-bending group called ECHINODERMS. The name Echinodermata comes from Greek words meaning spiny skin, a characteristic shared by many members of this phylum. This ancient group of marine invertebrates includes not just sea stars, but also sea urchins, sand dollars, brittle stars, sea cucumbers, and crinoids, often called sea lilies. Each of these creatures, despite their varied appearances, shares a unique set of features that sets them apart from all other animal groups. Their secret? A radical, alien design, radial symmetry. Unlike humans or fish, which exhibit bilateral symmetry, meaning they can be divided into two mirror image halves, sea stars are built around a central point. Picture a central disk blasting out 5 or more arms. That's their blueprint. This pentamerous radial symmetry, usually in multiples of 5, is a hallmark of adult echinoderms. For a creature that often moves slowly across the seafloor, being able to sense and react to its environment from all directions is a highly effective adaptation. But how do they even move without legs or fins? Enter their superpower, the water vascular system. This is perhaps the most defining and astonishing feature of echinoderms. Imagine a complex internal plumbing network powered by seawater. Water enters through a sieve-like plate on their upper surface called the madreporite, then circulates through a series of canals. This intricate system is not just for movement, it also plays crucial roles in feeding, respiration, and even waste excretion. This internal hydraulic system fuels thousands of tiny suction cup tube feet underneath each arm. These tube feet are extensions of the water vascular system, each ending in a small suction disc. Using hydraulic pressure controlled by muscular sacs called ampullae, they extend, grip, and pull themselves across the ocean floor. They can cling to rocks with incredible strength, allowing them to withstand strong currents, or even pry open stubborn clam and mussel shells, demonstrating surprising power for such seemingly delicate structures. It's a marvel of natural engineering. Now, get ready for their feeding habit. It's metal. Many sea stars are predators with a seriously bizarre dining style. They don't bring food to their mouth, they bring their mouth to the food. How? They literally vomit their stomach outside their body. That's right, they eject their cardiac stomach onto their prey, like a hapless mussel or oyster, and digest it right there in the open ocean. This external digestion allows them to consume prey much larger than their tiny mouth opening would normally permit. Once the stomach is everted, powerful digestive enzymes are released, breaking down the prey's soft tissues. The partially digested soup is then absorbed back into the sea star's body. This extreme eating experience is incredibly efficient, allowing them to exploit a wide range of food sources, from bivalves and snails to detritus and even other echinoderms. Some sea stars are also scavengers, cleaning up the seafloor, while others are suspension feeders, filtering tiny particles from the water. Their diverse diets highlight their crucial role in marine food webs. Think that's wild? Hold on to your hats for their regeneration game. Lose an arm? No biggie. Most sea stars can regrow it. This incredible ability is a vital survival mechanism, allowing them to escape predators by sacrificing an arm or to recover from injuries. But some species take it to insane levels. A single severed arm, carrying just a piece of the central disc, can regenerate an entire new sea star. This process, known as fission, is a form of asexual reproduction. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's pure, incredible ocean reality. The cells at the base of their arms retain remarkable plasticity, allowing them to differentiate into all the necessary tissues and organs to rebuild a complete organism. This regenerative capacity is a subject of intense scientific study, offering potential insights into tissue repair and regeneration in other organisms, including humans. It's a testament to the astonishing adaptability and resilience of life in the marine environment. Sea stars possess even more fascinating anatomical features. While they lack a centralized brain, they have a nerve ring around their mouth and radial nerves extending into each arm, allowing for coordinated movement and responses. At the tip of each arm, many species have simple light-sensing organs called eye spot, which can detect changes in light and shadow, helping them navigate and find food. Their spiny skin isn't just for show. It's made of calcium carbonate plates called ossicles, which form a flexible endoskeleton. Scattered among these spines are tiny pincer-like structures called pedicellariae. These microscopic claws help keep the sea star's surface clean from debris and parasites. And in some species, they can even be used for defense or to capture small prey. For respiration, sea stars use small, finger-like projections called dermal branchiae, or skin gills, which extend from their body surface, allowing for gas exchange with the surrounding seawater. With over 2,000 known species, sea stars exhibit an astonishing array of shapes, sizes, and colors, inhabiting every ocean, from the shallowest tide pools to the deepest abyssal plains. Some are vibrant and spiky, like the crown of thorns sea star, a notorious coral predator on Indo-Pacific reefs. Others are smooth and cushion-like, or slender and delicate. The sunflower sea star, found in the Pacific Northwest, can have up to 24 arms and is one of the fastest-moving sea stars, capable of covering significant distances in search of prey. The chocolate chip sea star, with its distinctive dark bumps, is a common sight in many aquariums and shallow tropical waters. Deep-sea species often display unique adaptations to their extreme environments, such as bioluminescence or specialized feeding strategies. This incredible diversity underscores their evolutionary success and their ability to thrive in vastly different marine habitats, playing various ecological roles. Sea stars are not just pretty faces, they play vital roles in marine ecosystems. As predators, they help control populations of mussels, barnacles, and snails, preventing these species from overgrowing and dominating habitats. The ochre sea star, Pisaster ocraceus, for example, is considered a keystone species in rocky intertidal zones along the Pacific coast. Its predation on mussels creates space for other species to flourish, thereby increasing biodiversity. Without them, the ecosystem would drastically change. However, sea stars face increasing threats. Climate change, leading to ocean acidification and warming waters, can impact their ability to form their calcium carbonate skeletons and disrupt their physiological processes. Pollution, habitat destruction, and diseases like the devastating sea star wasting syndrome, which caused mass die-offs in recent years, also pose significant challenges. Understanding and protecting these unique creatures is crucial for maintaining the health and balance of our oceans. So next time you spot a sea star, remember, you're not just looking at a pretty ocean decoration. You're witnessing an evolutionary marvel that shatters our basic ideas of what an animal should be. These creatures are living proof that life finds unbelievably clever and diverse ways not just to survive, but to utterly thrive on planet Earth. Their alien anatomy, bizarre feeding habits, and incredible regenerative powers make them true ambassadors of the ocean's boundless wonders. Dive deeper into the mysteries of the ocean. If you're as fascinated by sea stars as we are, hit that like button and subscribe to FactSpark for more incredible insights into the natural world. Share this video with your friends, family, and fellow ocean enthusiasts to spread the wonder. What other ocean creatures would you like us to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Your curiosity helps us uncover more of Earth's amazing secrets.